And that last finish is horrible. The team of Ethiopia about to go. Branabra, Haftureda, Circle in Watango. And they get going now. So Ethiopia are underway. They're the fastest team so far.
If you're new to this discipline, we just saw the men finish their lap of the team time trial relay. And now the women will do one lap and finish it off. So they have to finish with two riders, so the time will be taken on the second rider. As we saw when the men came in, the time wouldn't have been taken from the first rider, so that effort to the finish line was not really beneficial. The time was taken on the second rider crossing the line.
Really important that you keep driving all the way to the finish.
And be very aware of your teammates behind you if you need to get that second rider across the line, so that's quite important. But
China flying in now. Just talking about infrastructure again. We get used to the fact that we're lucky enough to be here and we can talk to the riders and the teams and everything. Normally, when you talk to the team managers, you generally say, how are things going? And their answer is, oh, this is a nightmare. I'm here, I'm 50k away, I've got to go back and forward with the team manager's meeting's there, and this is over here and that's over there. Because generally team managers are a bit like that.
Yeah, Rwanda has been a little bit of a different experience.
Yeah.
In my opinion, it's you need to be somewhere, they'll make sure you're there.
Yeah, and talking to team managers this morning, how's it going? Great, was the answer. We're only a couple of K down the road. This is what it's like. We get here, it's nice and easy. Another team manager I was walking here with said, absolutely amazing organisation. Can't believe how easy it is to get around.
Well, a good example is when I finished doing a lap this morning and I took my helmet off and sat down, two of the local organising committee ladies came up and said, would you like us to get a doctor for you? I said, no, I'm fine.
Yeah, that would be nice.
I'm fine. But everything is thought of and thought through. So there's, it's quite an amazing experience.
This rider's had to swap to a Shimano neutral service bike, unfortunately. This is Florence Nakagwa, has had a problem. We didn't see exactly what the problem was. Let's take a little look here. Rochelle, she's got a big issue. She's had to swing across the road and has had to take a Shimano neutral service bike.
We didn't get a very good look of what. She may have gear issues.
I don't know what the problem is, whether it's a puncture or something else.
She may be stuck in the large chain ring.